Hi, it's Rod from VMN again here. I just wanted to do a bit of an experiment here. We've had a couple of things happen here. Yesterday we had a order come in for a product that was out of stock, and you can see here that it says that this product is unavailable. So as luck would have it, Odoo had automatically raised a purchase order and the stock was on its way, and it arrived later in the day in this little box here. Now, it's unfortunate that the supplier doesn't actually put a barcode on this outer, which contains two of the product. So let's just do that for it and see what happens. And we'll get a little bit closer over here so you can see what's going on. So what I'm going to try and do is to find the receival operation. So in receipts there are 7 to process, and I know that it's this one here. So I just click on that, and it says that, hopefully you can see, but it says that we have 2 to receive. So what I should be able to do is scan that outer, and it shows now that 2 of these have been picked. So you should be able to see here that the 2 items have been picked when we scan the outer. So that means that this outer can move around the warehouse and not be opened, but we have to open it now. So let's move on. So one of the things that we can do with the barcode scanner is that once everything is ready to pick or validate, the validate button here goes green. Now we can either press that on the screen, or we can simply scan a validate barcode. And that has been received into stock. So now we have our 2 products that have come into stock, and if we scan them, I don't know if you can see there, but it says that there are now 2 units in stock, and they're in the warehouse location WH stock. Now that's not really where we want them to be. So what I'm going to do is just back out of that there, and we're going to transfer them into their required location. So this time we scan the location, which is WH stock, and we're going to move them to another location. So we're going to scan the 2 items, and I now have the 2 items here ready for a transfer. So we'll go down and we'll load these onto a shelf. So we'll take them down here to the shelf down the back here. And this is the location that we're going to store these in, which is aisle 1, bay BB, and level 02. So I'll just put them there. And we tell the barcode scanner that they moved to this location. And now it'll say validate, and rather than press here, on the trolley I have a barcode validate here, so I'll just scan the validate button. And that's now loaded into stock in this location. So if I scan the product now, it'll show that I have no units in output stock, which is the default warehouse location, and it's now been transferred to whan/bb/02, and 2 units are sitting there. So there we are, we've received this. Now I will say that Odoo also allows you to define putaway rules, which we hadn't done for this product, but we can actually tell Odoo that this stock always belongs in this location, and then once it's received, it would tell us that just needs to go away. So that's the putaway rule. So an order has been received, and the barcode, the picking slip for it, just printed out on the laser printer. So if I go and grab that, I'll bring it up a little bit closer so you can see it. There's 2 barcodes here. This is the picking operation, and this is the packing operation. So let's go and pick this product. I'll grab the trusty barcode scanner, and we scan that item, and it says that I have a product in to pick in a certain location. So if we can possibly see that there. So the very top line says the location that it's in. So let's go and pick it. So we'll take our trusty trolley down to that location, which it told us where it was. And we scan the location. It tells me here, scan the source location, and then scan the product. This product is now done, and we can see that it's ready to pick. Once again, click on the green button, or easier, scan the validate barcode, and it's done. Picking is done. So at this point, if you put the either a label or something on this order, we know that this is picked, and we can go and pick another one while we're out and about with the trolley. So, and the other thing that we can do is that we can do either batch picking. So we could actually create a batch, and we could put an order on each one of the shelves of this trolley, or we could put bins on the trolley and scan orders into the bins. In this case though, so there's lots of different options so that you can get efficient barcode picking once you have your warehouse locations set in Odoo. So we'll bring our order back to the delivery bench, and we move on to the other side now, and we scan the delivery. It says, oh yes, there's only one of these products. Yep, I've got that here, and I can validate it. This time I'll just press the screen, validate on the screen, just to show you. Same thing as scanning the barcode, and that's been validated. Now we should, in a perfect world, and we didn't get it, we should have received so something went wrong with my marvellous system. So I'm just going to go into the inventory module here and pick up that delivery order. So the shipment's been sent, and we just need to generate a label. And there we have it. There's our label ready to go. So this order's done.